Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 12th, 2022, and the purpose of today's video is what I want to do is link this video to a Craigslist ad and to a Facebook Marketplace ad. And this is for local pickup, cash only plant sale that we're operating here. So we moved a lot of the plants out here into the greenhouse. So I'm going to turn the camera around and we'll take a look and see what we've got here. So we have a whole variety of different plants. I'll just go over some of them. Like, for example, here we have lemon balm and a very fragrant, rapidly productive herb. Have rosemary plants here as well. We have some crabapple trees. We do have some Isaiah hardy kiwi plants as well. These are all hardy to this geographic location. We have black currants, very hardy to this area. We have curly willow or corkscrew willow. We have some serviceberry plants as well, some Chinese chestnut trees, some thornless honey locust trees here as well. Some of our thornless blackberry plants, these are either Chester or Triple Crown. The deer, since moving them in here, the deer aren't eating them down every day, so that's a really good thing. Over here we have hostaberry plants. So the hostaberry plants are a cross between a black currant and a gooseberry plant. Lots of hostaberry plants in here. We have some elderberry plants, native ones to our property as well. We have gooseberries, various sizes of gooseberry plants, lots of gooseberry plants all along in here. We have red currants as well. These ones we haven't identified. We're pretty certain what they are, but we're going to give them a few more days to tell us just which ones they are. Some of our labels we've had troubles with. These are red currants in here, red currants here. Our pink currants aren't for sale this year. And then we have the hardiest varieties. We're in Zone 5A, Oswego, New York. And so we have fig trees. We have brown turkey and Chicago hardy fig trees. Now we do grow some of these outdoors, but they cannot tolerate in a pot or in the ground. Once we have our harsh winter here, everything above the ground will die off. So you have to really either bring them inside during the winter months, bring them into the garage or your basement or whatever. But they will fruit. The small plants start off at $25 and then they go up from there. But these are either Chicago hardy or brown turkey figs. There's very few of them that are actually labeled that I can tell you which ones they actually are, because we have really high windstorms here, and our labels just don't work all that great. But you can just get a pretty good idea of them. They're really beautiful, very productive trees, and you can grow them outdoors as well. So that's a look at them. There are some grasses, some miscanthus grasses that we have for sale as well. Theo, get those out here. Those are either zebra grasses or zebra or a very fine type one. And I keep wanting to say popcorn, but they're not popcorn. I can't think of the other name right now. The name evades me. So again, we have, and we don't do any shipping at this point. We have some plants that are not for sale right now, but if people want certain types for next year, or bare root plants, because we do sell bare root plants in the springtime as well. So that's about it. So we're posted under, if you want to look on Craigslist, we're in the Syracuse area, which is Fulton, New York, is where our sale is. And we're just off of Route 48 near Battle Island State Park. It's a golf course near the town of Minetto, north of Fulton. So I think that about covers it. Sorry for this type of video, but I thought I'd put this video out so that people have a better idea about where we're located and our plant sale. Again, no shipping, cash only. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye now.